Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have mega bundle of backgrounds. Here is two folder in 1.50 GB. Total file is 1075 in two folder. Here is JPG and here is PNG. JPG files are in 875 MB. Total file is 731 MB. That's mean all files are high definition. Here is PNG 344 files in 309 MB. Okay, so first I show you. Here is some backgrounds overlay. You can add it everywhere. Portrait and landscape. Amazing. You can use as a overlay. Amazing. You can use light overlay, and here is some background. Wow, amazing. Some files are in low resolution like mobile editor, and wow, it's okay. Next is PNG file. You see here some PNG effects like birds, flying birds. Wow. And here is butterfly, tree, it's okay. For example, I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop as a overlay. We need image, girls, and I drag here. I tell you just for example, Control Shift L for auto leveling, and resolution is 1000. Okay, and drag there. Now click on screen or overlay. You see our design is here, so you can adjust as the overlay, and other photo you can adjust a background. I hope this tutorial is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel and subscribe my other channel of Telegram, Sheri SK Official. So take care, Allah Hafiz.